Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see Banarasi semi-cotton sarees, your most favorite collection. All these sarees will have beautiful prints with rich contrast Banarasi borders, priced in the range of 950 and it goes up to 1250. Let's get started. The Women's Day sale is on. Flat 8% discount is available on all new arrivals. Up to 20% discount is available across the website. Flat 8% discount is also available at both the stores in Chennai and in Bangalore. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are semi-cotton sarees, very light in weight with rich antique zari woven borders and beautiful styles of prints. These sarees are perfect to carry for simple occasions and also perfect to carry for work. All these sarees are very easy to maintain as well. These sarees can be carefully hand washed at home. We are releasing new collections every day in the morning and in the evening. To stay on top of our new arrivals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or sign up with our newsletter. I'm going to randomly pick and show you 20 sarees in today's video. Many more designs and colors have been uploaded in the website. We have multiple pieces available in each of these designs that I'm going to show you today. All these sarees are available in our website. To take a look at the entire collection, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. First one for today, it's a very pretty color combination of coffee brown with maroon, short and long antique Banarasi borders on either sides with beautiful floral prints running throughout the sari. Printed pallu, very simple and classy. A contrast plain blouse priced at 990. Off-white with peach, one more beautiful sari with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides. Kalamkari prints running throughout the body, a beautiful kalamkari printed pallu with tassel stamp, a contrast printed blouse priced at 1050. Single color, sky blue with short and long zari woven borders on either sides, floral prints very subtle and classy running all over the body, printed pallu with tassel stamp. This has got a contrast blouse in pink priced at 1250. Bottle green, one more beautiful color with short and long borders on either sides, box prints in geometric pattern running throughout the body, printed pallu, that's the pallu, plain blouse in dark green, priced at 990. Off-white with magenta, one more beautiful sari with short and long antique paisley zari woven borders on either sides, beautiful floral prints running throughout the sari, printed pallu, that's the pallu, a plain blouse in magenta with rich Banarasi border, priced at 950. A very classy and an elegant color combination. It's beige with mustard, all over floral prints with short and long antique borders on either sides. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu, a self-printed blouse in mustard, priced at 950. One more lovely color, shades of grey with orange, rich contrast zari woven borders on either sides with the body having floral buttas printed throughout the sari. This has got vertical lines of prints in gold running all over the sari. A rich contrast zari woven pallu, plain blouse in orange, priced at 1090. Lime green with copper sulphate blue, one more gorgeous color combination with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides, floral printed pattern running all over the sari, a contrast printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a self-printed blouse in blue, priced at 960. Maroon, one more pretty color with short and long antique zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got very pretty birds and floral prints running throughout the sari. Printed pallu, that's the pallu. A contrast self-printed blouse in coffee brown, priced at 950. Lime green with peacock blue, another gorgeous color combination with short and long antique zari woven borders on either sides. Floral prints running all over the body. Printed pallu, self-printed blouse in peacock blue, priced at 950. Beige with tomato red, one more pretty sari with rich zari woven floral borders on either sides, prints in floral pattern and paisleys running all over the sari, printed pallu, that's the pallu, a contrast self-printed blouse in tomato pink, priced at 950. Violet, one more lovely color with antique zari woven borders on either sides, very subtle and classy prints running all over the body, printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse, priced at 990. Beige with maroon, one more beautiful sari with rich contrast Banarasi borders on either sides. The body has got an abstract all-over print running throughout the sari, a simple printed pallu, a contrast blouse in maroon with rich Banarasi border, priced at 950. Pastel blue with beige, one more unique color combination with short and long antique borders owning the sides. This has got beautiful and subtle floral prints running throughout the sari, a contrast printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching printed blouse with Banarasi border, priced at 990. Orange with brown, one more pretty sari with rich antique borders on either sides. The body has got both geometric and floral prints running all over the sari, a contrast printed pallu, that's the pallu, a matching blouse in coffee brown, priced at 990. Navy blue with green, one more beautiful sari with short and long contrast zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got self-checked pattern with floral printed buttas running throughout the sari, a simple printed pallu with tassels done, contrast blouse in green, priced at 960. Blue with red, one more gorgeous color combination with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides, all over floral prints running throughout the sari, a simple printed pallu, that's the pallu, a contrast plain blouse in red, priced at 990. Black, a stunning sari with short and long antique borders, geometric prints running all over the body, printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse, priced at 990. Green, lovely color with short and long zari woven borders on either sides, beautiful kalamkari prints with peacocks and floral pattern running throughout the body, a very pretty printed pallu with tassels done, printed blouse in green, priced at 1050. Baby pink, the last one for today, gorgeous color, single color sari with short and long zari woven borders on either sides, very subtle prints running all over the body, printed pallu with tassels done, a contrast printed blouse in teal, priced at 1250. These are just few of the randomly picked saris to showcase in this video. Many more unique designs and colors have been uploaded in the website. To take a look at the entire collection and to shop online, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.